I'm a true believer of practical AI usage, and since I'm on a multiple board for nonprofit, this was my last few weekend project. The idea is that when a board manages by an employee or sometime one of the board members, there are a lot of smaller tasks which cannot be done, and we have to struggle. So in this case, I have built a agentic solution which does a few things like the summarizing the meeting, the knowledge agent, the reminder agent, the insight agent, task extractor, meeting prepare agent, and AI email research agent, things like that. So again, a dashboard. One of the areas where I have seen that AI agent is coming to you right now. So instead of going to certain things, you can go ahead and click on board member and browse through it. So you have all the data and you can easily run AI agent from it. The practical use would be you want to go ahead and generate summary of a contact or a company. You can go ahead and do it using one click and it will give you a summary. You can go ahead and send an email using AI and you can do it from here. Now, you don't have to get out of it. You just have to go ahead and generate the email and send the email from here. So I think the whole notion of AI agentic solution that we are over with going to ChatGPT, Gemini, and to do things. We want within our workflow an AI agent comes in. So in a nutshell, when I am building an AI agentic workflow, this is specifically for nonprofit. It is completely free. You can go to Lovable and remix it within one click. And this would be an amazing thing for nonprofit to solve a specific problem if they are managing a board with 5 or 8 member or 10 members. I would love to get some feedback. I'm looking to give away this and install everything for free without charging anyone if they reach out to me. The first 5 customers will be free if they reach out to me. Thank you.